Welcome to our Silent Unity prayer service for May 2024. May the affirmations on peace, light, life, abundance, and love be a blessing for you, your loved ones, and our world. Let's get quiet and still together. As we unite in prayer today, our hearts and minds open to the magnificent truth by which we transform our experience and uplift the world. This is the moment in which we rise to the level of spirit, attentive and centered in the power that propels us to live as the light of the world. And we begin, as always, with peace. I am calm, centered in divine peace. Divine peace is an ever-renewing force by which I clear my mind and open my heart. Gently, I lay down harbored thoughts, allowing nothing to interfere with my experience of peace as I pray. Peace is the power of God, serenity for my day. I am a radiating center of light and understanding. The light of spiritual understanding is always shining. From the silence, in prayer, insights arise to meet the present need. Greater clarity and realization, the fruits of understanding, dawn in my right mind on time. I pray for and from the illuminating power of understanding. Claiming divine life, I heal. No matter the prayer need, I heal as I realize the animating, vitalizing wholeness that is divine life. I and the Spirit of life are one. I grasp this truth as I rest in awe of the power within that is my power to express. I claim divine life as my health and well-being. With a consciousness of plenty, I prosper. I pause in deep appreciation for the gifts of this day, the abundance I have access to at all times. All that I could ever need, I find in divine ideas that are always flowing. God is my source and ever-ready resource, always. I am a presence of love in the world. I and the world around me are one. Every man is my brother, every woman my sister. We are one in God. In the harmony of oneness, I imagine holding hands, embracing arms, walking together on earth. I hold this image in love with the world. Together we experience gratitude for the knowledge of overflowing infinite inner resources in the moment of every need, anchored in divine peace, understanding, life, abundance, and love. We share the light of truth with everyone we meet. Let's conclude our prayer time by reciting the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is. And so it is. Amen. Bless you and thank you for being with us today.